So check it out. This is what I'm gonna teach you guys how to make today, my YouTube familia. And watch me get down on this, guys. You guys are gonna love it. Because I know I do. And I know a lot of people like it too that have tasted this before. So I got a nice little treat for you guys. It's a simple recipe. The most simple recipe in the world. So, tostadas de camarón. I got imitation crab. And all this, you can buy it at Sam's Club. I got cooked shrimp. I got cucumbers. And then cilantro, for sure. I got tomatoes. I got Roman tomatoes. I got about 8 of them maybe. And I got lime. I only use lime on this because lime is much sweeter than lemon. To me anyways. Lemon's a little bit more sour. So, and then you of course, salt to taste. And then fresh ground. And I have 2 jalapenos. And then my secret weapon. Not gonna believe it. You're probably gonna think, what the heck? Carrot, man. Shredded carrot. This is a secret weapon that I use. Because it balances everything out. You got a little bit of heat. You got your acid, right? And with the carrot, it's on the sweet side. So it balances everything out. You guys got to try it for real, man. Your shrimp, just open up the bag. Right, piece of cake. Run it with water 3 or 4 times. That's what I do. I've been doing it. So just run it through water 3 or 4 times. As far as the crab, I don't wash, but the shrimp I do. So let's get started. So the crab meat, I'm gonna just dump it in here. I really don't waste my time cutting it up on the cutting board. So this is it. This is how I do it. Put it in the bowl, shred it. And then at this point, you get this in and you do this. I'm just playing. I've seen a lot of people do it. I don't know why, but they do. Supposedly it gets something off. I don't know. I've never tasted the difference. This is the way I do my jalapenos. I use a cheese grater. So this is it right here, man. Cheese grater. So at this point, I got everything. Got the shredded carrot. I usually dump the whole bag. And then just mix it. Let's try this piece out. Very good. Bomb. Mmm. No salt, no pepper is needed. You guys gotta try this. It's a must. I bought all this under 40 bucks, put it that way. We got a ton left. Anyways, gracias for watching. Thank you. You guys got to try this dish. It was delish. I mean, hands down, bomb.com. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like if you like the video, subscribe. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.